ক্লাস 10 ইংলিশ লেসন 3 দি পাসিং অ্যাওয়ে অফ বাপু। তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, তোমরা লেখো আর লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। গান্ধীজি হ্যাড বিন শট অন হিজ ওয়ে টু a prayer meeting. The author came to know of Gandhiji's a telephone. When one is faced with the shock of a loved one's death on impulse, the author was having tea at home. The writer was called to Birla House by a telephone call. The words of Bapuji's death spread in Delhi like a fire fanned by wind. তাহলে এ ফায়ার ফ্যানেড বাই ওয়াইন্ড মানে যেমন করে বাতাসে আগুন ছড়িয়ে যায়, তেমন করে গান্ধীজির মৃত্যু খবরটা চারিদিকে ছড়িয়ে গেছিল। দ্য ন্যারেটর ওয়েন্ট টু বিড়লা হাউস বাই অন মোটর কার। গান্ধীজি's followers and relatives assembled at the Birla House. In the beginning, people remained silent. Death of Bapu left people shocked. The author received an urgent telephone call in the Mon Falls. Pupil Falls shouting statement, I was having tea at he on the evening of 30 January 1948 when I was called to Birla House by an urgent telephone. People attempt to break into the Birla House supporting statement. The two supporting statement, they jostled one another in a stampede to break into the house. The news of Gandhiji's death did not shock the people supporting statement. False, the people were stunned to speak. The news of Gandhiji's death spread rapidly. Supporting statement, the two words of Gandhiji's death had spread through Delhi like a family fanned by wind. At first, people did not make any sound. Supporting statement, two supporting statement, the people were stunned to speak in the beginning. People jostled in protest. False, they jostled one another in a stampede to break into the house. People were not allowed to see Gandhiji before the funeral. False, it was announced that they would be allowed to see Gandhiji before the funeral. There was no radio announcement regarding Gandhiji's death. False supporting statement, we listened to the broadcast telling the people of India that their Bapu was no more. এখানে শেষ করছি।